Hello and welcome to Educated Buzz, where this time on the show we're going to do a special shot for you coming from Tipsy Bartender. Actually, Sophia brought it up to Tipsy Bartender, whatever. They made the shot. It's called the
Waterfall.
It's a very cool looking shot. It's almost like a bomb type thing. Just involves raspberry vodka, Red Bull, Blue Curacao, and our shout out to Tipsy Bartender and Sophia. And also, while I'm at it, I might as well do a shout out to my father, All for Taste. Check out his show. He does some pretty cool shots and beers. So, shots and beers.
I was going to say something.
So,
but,
what?
sorry. I was just going to say that she's leaving, so we kind of thought we'd do a shout out. She's going back to Germany, which we're here, so.
Maybe we'll see her.
Maybe.
Anyways, make us some delicious shots, Sophia, while you're here. Anyways, let's get on with the shot.
Red Bull. Just a little bit over half. Raspberry vodka. Drop it in. I told you the shot was going to be heavy.
It's perfect.
Okay. And then Blue Curacao. Waterfall.
See, it's got this, I guess it's called the Waterfall because it's got this nice lighter color and then it fades off into the greenish color. Pretty cool looking bomb slash drink.
I think it's pretty.
So let's get to drinking this thing. Now to my favorite part, where we get to drink it.
Don't make fun of me because I chug slow.
Quite a bit of Red Bull, so I feel like we're going to be pretty energized and drunk at the same time, which is also an awesome feeling. So, let's, wow, this thing looks really cool in the light. Anyways, let's take this down the hatch. Very good. Tastes very sweet. You can taste the alcohol just a little bit. You won't feel it burn. You definitely can taste the Red Bull.
Red Bull always makes my eyes water.
Yeah, you definitely can taste it well because it's carbonated. It kind of burns. But
it's really good though.
Yeah, very good one. If you've ever had a Vegas bomb, tastes similar to that. So if you like that, definitely check.
What is this? Look at that. Drink it.
That's probably spit.
Still drink it. See this?
Oh my god. Okay, she gets to call me out because this hardly ever happens. Anyways, check it out. Check it out on Tipsy Bartender as well. I mean, it's very good. Alright, well, we'll see you next time. Cheers.
Cheers.